Last time, we learned how to think in English, not translate. Just think directly in English, like a picture in your head.
And if you did not see that video yet, go watch it first. The link is right here.
But now I have a new problem. I am thinking in English. Good. I feel ready. And then someone talks very, very fast, and my brain just stops.
Everything goes blank.
Yes, like someone switched off the light.
That is exactly what we fixed today. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, Learn English with Class Official, where learning English is easy and fun.
We are happy you are here with us today. Welcome.
I am Chloe.
And I'm Burke.
Okay, so I was really tired after the gym, yeah? And I went to that small cafe on the corner, you know, the one, and the girl there was talking so fast. She was saying something about the milk and did I want this coffee or that coffee? And I was just standing there like,
Yes.
oh, so I said, okay, sure. And she goes, oh, great, because we have this new coffee from Colombia. It smells amazing, very nice taste. You will love it.
Absolutely.
And I said, sounds good. And she goes, oh, you are not from here. Where are you from? And I said, oh, I just moved here. And she goes, oh, nice. Have you got used to the area yet? Because this part of town is really growing.
Sorry. What?
Right there. That face. That moment.
I understood one word. Cafe. Just cafe.
Welcome to real English. Real speed. No pausing, no mercy. Okay, first, I really need you to hear this.
You are not bad at English. You just never practiced listening at real speed. That is all.
Oh, good. I thought it was only me.
It is never only you. Here is what happens when a native speaker talks fast. They push words together. Do you want to? Sounds like, do you wanna? I don't know. Sounds like, dunno. Going to? Sounds like, gonna. Words get short. Sounds mix together. The whole sentence sounds like one long word.
Yes! That is exactly what I hear. Just one big, long sound.
Because in school, in books, in apps, English is always slow, clear, one word at a time. But real people do not talk like that.
Nobody talks like that. Nobody.
So when you hear real English in the street, your brain gets confused. It is not a language problem. It is a speed problem. And speed problems have answers.
That is the best thing I have heard in my life.
And those answers are 8 simple scripts. Let us start. Script 1. When you missed everything they said. 2 ways to say it. 1 for formal situations, 1 for everyday life.
Okay. Go.
Formal. I beg your pardon.
I beg your pardon?
Casual. Sorry, say that again.
Sorry. Say that again?
Formal. For work, interviews, talking to someone you do not know well. Casual. For friends, shops, normal everyday talk. Same meaning, just a different style.
So the meeting time changed, and now we need to look at the whole plan again.
I beg your pardon? Can you say that last part again?
Of course. The meeting time changed.
One small phrase. The whole conversation is saved. Script 2. Use this when you heard almost everything, but one word you do not know.
Like when they say a word I never heard before?
Exactly. Just say, What do you mean by that word?
What do you mean by that word?
Short role play. Yeah, it was so Moorish. I could not stop eating it.
What do you mean by Moorish?
Oh, it just means you always want more. Like you cannot stop.
I learned a new word and the conversation kept going. That is a win.
2 wins in 1. Script 3. When someone opens rapid fire.
This is the one I need every day of my life.
Most people need this one, and most people are too shy to say it.
Do not be shy. Just say it.
Could you speak a little slower, please?
Could you speak a little slower, please?
You can also add, my English is still growing, and I want to understand you well.
That sounds really confident, actually.
Because it is confident. You are not sorry for your English. You are taking care of the conversation. That is a strong thing to do. So you basically need to fill in this form and give it back before 4.
Could you speak a little slower, please? I want to make sure I do this right.
Of course. Sorry. So you need to fill in this form.
It works.
Every single time.
This one is my favorite. It does something special.
What does it do?
It makes you look smart, not lost. You say back what you think they said in your own words. Like this. So you're saying that...
So you check your understanding and show you were listening.
Exactly. It is called mirroring. Real English speakers do this all the time. So the price covers everything, but not the extra charge at the end, and that changes if you pay by card.
So you're saying that the final price changes based on how I pay?
Yes, exactly right.
I only understood about half of what she said, but one good question got me the full answer.
Half understanding plus one good question equals full answer. That is the trick.
This happens to me all the time. The start is fine, and then they go fast at the end, and I lose it.
Very normal. People go faster near the end of sentences. So just say, sorry, I didn't catch that last part.
Sorry, I didn't catch that last part.
Use the word catch, not hear. Saying, I didn't hear sounds like a hearing problem. I didn't catch means it was too fast. It sounds much more natural. Short role play.
Go straight down this road, turn left at the traffic lights, go past the big shop, and then it is the 3rd road on the right.
Sorry, I didn't catch that last part. After the big shop?
Yes, 3rd road on the right.
Clean, polite, natural. Done. This script is forgotten by most people, but it is very useful.
Just ask them to write it?
Yes, for names, addresses, numbers, or hard words. Just say, could you write that down for me?
Could you write that down for me?
Or today, you can also say, could you send that to me? Or can you type that quickly?
This one takes away all the pressure. You stop trying to remember everything in your head.
And nobody thinks it is rude. It shows you want to get it right. That is always good. This one is for longer talks, at work, getting instructions, someone explaining something. You understand the main point, but the small details got lost.
I got the main idea. Can you explain the details?
Great. And notice the first part. I got the main idea. You are showing them you were listening. You are not starting from 0. You just need a little more.
So the point system works differently for each level, and the score resets every month.
I got the main idea. Can you explain the details about the levels? Of course. So there are 3 levels.
I got a whole new explanation, and I looked completely calm doing it.
Script 8. This one is for when you need just a short moment. Your brain is still working, and you do not want the silence to feel strange.
Give me 1 second. I want to make sure I understand.
It tells the other person, I am here, I am thinking, I am not lost. I just need 1 moment, and people always respect that.
It turns a quiet moment from a panic moment into a calm moment.
Exactly.
So if you sign up before the end of this month, you get a lower price, but only for the full year plan, not the monthly one.
Give me 1 second. I want to make sure I understand. So the lower price is only for the full year plan?
That is right.
8 scripts, 8 different situations. All of them easy, all of them powerful.
Can I say something?
Yes. Go ahead.
I used to feel so embarrassed when I asked someone to repeat. Like, if I said, "Sorry, say that again," I felt like everyone could see that my English was not good. But then I started watching native English speakers, and I noticed something.
What did you notice?
They ask people to repeat all the time. All the time. Sorry, what? Say that again? Wait, what did you say? Every day. In every talk.
That might be the most important thing we have said in all 4 episodes.
Really?
Asking for help to understand is a communication skill. The best talkers in the world do it all the time. It takes more courage to say, I did not understand, than to nod and pretend you did.
So stop pretending. Use these scripts. And remember, every person in that conversation, native speaker or not, has felt exactly the way you feel.
Okay. Week 1, challenge time.
Okay, you made it through week 1. 4 videos, 4 big skills.
Root causes, phrases, thinking in English, rescue scripts.
You now have more tools than many people who studied English for years. But tools only help if you use them.
So here is the week 1 challenge.
Before week 2, use 3 of this week's phrases in a real conversation. Any 3. It does not have to go perfectly. It does not have to be smooth.
It just has to happen. Just do it once.
In a shop, with a friend, ordering food, on the phone, anywhere. 3 phrases, real life.
And then come back here and write it in the comments. Tell us which 3 you used. Tell us what happened. Tell us how you felt.
We read every single comment. Every one.
And if you have the most interesting story, we might put you in week 2.
We might.
We will definitely think about it very seriously.
Week 1 was about your mind, your brain, how you think about English, and how English works inside your head.
We fixed the inside first, not just the outside.
Week 2 is different. Week 2 is the real world.
What does that mean exactly?
We go to real places. coffee shops, job interviews, phone calls, places where English is not just a school subject. It is the only tool you have.
Oh, okay. Real places. Real people.
And we start with coffee shops. Because if you can walk in, order your drink in English, answer questions, talk normally, you can do anything.
And I will be the one getting the order wrong, so you can see exactly what not to say.
Like always.
But before we finish, I want to keep a promise.
Nodding, letting him speak.
In our last video, some of you wrote in the comments asking what to do when you have no idea what someone said. Like, completely nothing. Not one word, and you were standing there not knowing what to do.
And Burg asked me many times to make that video.
I asked her many times, because I know that feeling very well.
That video is already here. We made it for you. The link is in the description down below. Go and find it right now.
Or click the small I button in the top right corner of the screen. You will see a card come up right there. Tap it, and it takes you straight to that video.
No more standing there not knowing what to do. The answer is ready for you.
A promise made, a promise kept. See you there.
Go click it.